Hey guys, this is gonna be a different video because today is going to be a paramount day in my life. Because today I'm gonna be building. Well, this isn't gonna be my first PC, but today is gonna be the first time I'm building a PC. I mean, there's one right there. Speaking about that one is officially dead. It's time for it to retire. It's like 12 years old. It's as old as a middle schooler. Like, what the freak? Are you kidding me? It officially died on Friday, October 1st. For its ceremony, for its death, we're gonna replace it. So let's build this sucker. So let's check out the parts we got. Before we even get into the juicy stuff, let's introduce the thing that's all the stuff is gonna go into. This is my case. It's gonna be the CoolerMaster MasterBox Q300L. This one is way wider compared to that one. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. All right, let's pull it out of the box. Alright, I put my light in. Alright, I put my light in. The lighting is trash. Alright, here we go. Let's not drop this thing off. Oh boy, look at this sucker. Let's check this thing out. Oh boy, look at that setup, man. Oh my gosh, that's the sun right now. Alright, sweet. And we got this. Oh, it's over here. Is this thing upside down? I got it off. Alright. Where's the I/O? Hold on. There it is. Wow. So there's where everything's gonna go in. Oh, see the glare? Now it's time to get the other parts. The juicy stuff. Alright guys. Seriously? The camera work on this video is gonna be pretty trash. And I'm pretty excited, so I'm gonna be weird. Look at all this stuff. We got the GPU right there. We got the core right up there. We got the memory right here. We got the power supply and then the motherboard coolers. Oh my gosh. Let's dissect this thing. We're gonna open this up. There it is. The Intel i3. Let's go. 10th gen. Sweet. Oh boy. My RAM sticks. We got these. Oh shoot. We got these cheap. Oh my gosh. We got these cheap PC attachable fans from Amazon. We got the epic CPU cooler. It looks pretty legit and it's pretty cheap, and lots of people use it and they say that it's pretty good at cooling. So here it is, look at that. Be quiet, little boy. Alright, move this box out of the way. I'm gonna put everything on the couch right now. Here's an epic part for storage. We got this WesternDigital SSD 1 terabyte. This is where you put all your games and your OS on so it boots up faster. Yeah, that's a fact. Here's the thing that's, provides all the power. Look at that. 600 watt power bronze. Let's go. This thing's gonna be lit. And now, the mother of all mothers. The motherboard. Look at this thing. Oh yeah. This is the MSI B560M PRO-VDH Wi-Fi. Now I don't know what most of that means. I know what Wi-Fi is. We got Windows right here on a CD. You're not gonna see my stuff. That's all my epic parts, so let's figure out and put this stuff together. Open this epic motherboard up. How do you take this off now? We got it. I got it. Wow. Look at this thing, guys. Let's take a look. There's the CPU that goes right there. RAM sticks go in there. You got this giant 24-pin power. The SSD goes in right there. Why is this thing not focusing, bro? Bro, there it is. Alright, let's check out what this CPU is talking about. There it is, guys. Look at that. Look at that epic brain. You can see the power. Why do they have to make these boxes so complicated? Look at that thing. You can't even see it, really. Look at those pins, man. Alright, this is kind of a scary part. Let's get the close view. Dang it, this thing is out of focus all the time. Here we go. There's the little triangle right here. You can't even see that on there. You see that right there? That like half circle thing right there? Alright, so I successfully put it in. There we go. It's in. Alright, so now we're moving forward to the RAM sticks. I went with these XPG ADATA 8 gig, 8 gig, 16 gig total. Grab this thing. Is there any plastic on here? Look at this thing. Looks like a beast. Alright, the first one goes in right here. We gotta open this up. Oh boy, this is kind of scary. Man, you gotta put some pressure on that. That's kind of scary. Alright, they're both successfully installed. Alright, look at that. Got the 2 RAM sticks and the core processor. Alright, so now it's time to install the SSD. Alright, there's that. Here it is. Look at that thing. There it is. Sweet. Alright, got a specialized tool right here. Getting this thing off. It's really hard to remove this heatsink. Get rid of the plastic, otherwise it won't be able to cool. Ooh. Alright, so it's been a little bit, but I finally got it in there. Successfully installed. Alright, let's move on. We're gonna install the CPU cooler. Look at this sucker. This thing is gonna do some thermal cooling. Alright. Ooh, and there's pre-applied Duke, and there's pre-applied thermal paste. We got this nice BeQuiet fan. Ooh. This is probably gonna be a pretty hard part, so I'm probably not gonna be able to record this whole thing, so. Alright, so it's been a while, after the assistance of my dad. Boom. Alright, so now we can take the connector, and there we go. Boom, installed, and we kinda cleaned it up in there instead of it being like shh. The wire's nice and tucked in there. Now it's time for the next complicated part, and that's putting it in to the case. Let's go. We got the plastic off, and now it's time to open up the case. So let's do it. Alright, so we put the IO shield in, and now we got the stand-ups in right here. Alright, so it's been a while. Here's what we've done. Again, with the assistance of my dad. Boom. We did it. And that thing is so close to not fitting. The GPU is the most exciting part because it has all the gaming power. Actually, before we get to the GPU, we gotta introduce the power supply. Bubble wrap. Take a smell of that power. Smell it. Mmm. Energy, man. Energy. We got the 1650 power supply now in. Alright, boom. Move these 2 panels here so we can put the GPU in there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's install this sucker. Just take a look at this thing before we shove it in there. Man. Alright, so we installed the GPU. There it is. There it is, sucker. A little confused because there's no power. Does it get the power from the motherboard? Alright guys, it is much later. And we hooked up all the power. So here's what it looks like. Alright, plugged in the audio over there. We got that's the USB. Then we have all these buttons and connections here. Alright, we got the 24 pin connected up there. Wow, nice management. Connected all the fans right here. And a very tight CPU power right there. And I think that's it. And all we need to do is plug in that into there, flip the switch, and see if the monitor, see if it works. Alright, here we go. Plug it in. I hooked up my old keyboard, then I have my wireless mouse connector right here. Oh yeah. Make sure that thing's nice and tight in there. Oh yeah. We're gonna plug this sucker in. Alright guys, we did the first boot up. We got a green light on the boot LED. Right, we're in the BIOS now. Look at that thing. Oh boy. We have to install Windows. Oh, there it is. Alright. Install now. There we go! Okay. Alright. Hey, get your own keyboard. Man, I have super fast reading skills, so I'm just reading all these terms. Here, I can go even faster than that. Ready? Oh! On that bad boy. There we go. It's gonna do its stuff. It's gonna do its stuff. Starting to look like Windows 10. Oh. Yes. Who's gonna be using this? Oh yeah. Oh boy. Getting everything ready for me? Oh boy. Alright, now we're gonna wait for Windows to officially install. There it is. Windows has been installed. Alright, how about ending this video outside? That's a pretty good idea. Alright guys, so that was me building my brand new PC and setting it up. And so I plan to do a month update, so expect an update by November about how my new PC's going. I'll be able to play more games now. Gosh, it's so exciting. If you are excited, make sure to like the video. It helps out. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.